It's an 824. This thermostat's pretty cool. It actually controls my door locks. It controls my geo map. So if I turn on the street, it can open my garage door, open my doors. It's got a geo map. So it's pretty cool. It also controls the lighting in my house. I can control this with my phone. It also tells me how long my system's been running. You know, what is it more on heating, more on cooling, where am I losing airflow, those type of things. So yeah, it's pretty a Mac Daddy thermostat. He was like, well, how much is that thing? It's awesome. It's utterly awesome. So I think the retail price is somewhere right around that $400 to $500 range, somewhere in there is how much does it cost installed. Of course, you'll have to install the doors and the lighting and all the switches and all that good stuff yourself. But basically, it's a smart home. So with that said, I'm going to click on this for now. Currently, I have my thermostat set to auto. On AC, I got it set at 72. Man, it's like, man, I can't do that. I want mine set at 68. I don't have to. I have a dehumidification system. Because I have a dehumidification system, I have no humidity. I can keep my temperature a little higher and it doesn't matter. So 72 degrees, I'm not running my system half as much as anybody else, as well as it's super efficient. And I got it set to auto right now, so I have also my heating on as well. During that time of year to where I'm transitioning from summertime to wintertime, and a lot of times I'll leave it on auto through the summertime, or I'll switch it to auto. What is auto? If it gets down to, in this case, 69 degrees, my heat's going to kick on automatically. So I have, with my furnace, I have a 2-stage gas variable speed. That's a whole nother video. But my furnace is pretty efficient as well. And I keep it right at that 69 degrees. And I'm very comfortable because I got humidity in my house during the winter time. That humidity in my house mixed with my gas, my comfortable variable speed, makes my house extremely comfortable and extremely efficient. So this is my home. Anybody asking me suggested wise? Yes, everything that I have in my house is awesome. I love the suggestions. So if you get the opportunity to do it and you want to say, man, do you really believe in this? I have it in my home. 120% I believe in everything that's currently attached to my home. So with that said, that's all I got currently, guys, and we are ready for wintertime other than my fall inspection. Make sure you have a professional do your fall inspections. I have seen homeowners clean hot surface igniters with sandpaper. You don't want that. You got to have your pressure ports clean. You got to have your traps clean. You got to have you definitely got to have your flame sensor clean. You got to make sure that your blower motor amps are not amping up too high. You got to make sure you're not producing carbon monoxide from any level, which is secondary heat exchanger, primary heat exchanger, wherever that is. You want to make sure your system is safe. You want to make sure you don't have gas leaks. You want to make sure that your gas valve does not have bleed by. It's extremely important to make sure your gas valve doesn't have bleed by. What does that mean? That means when your system shuts off, gas is continuing to flow through your gas valve. I've actually seen that recently really cause some damage. So with that said, that's all I got for now. I hope everybody's ready for the fall. And if there's any way that we can help, remember Right Way Heating and Cooling. You can visit us on our website at www. I know Joe keeps telling me not to say that. rightwayhvac.com. So again, that is rightwayhvac.com, and we'll be more than happy to help any way we can. And you can buy a lot of this stuff, or your price for a lot of this stuff on our online store, and we'd be more than happy to help you any way that we possibly can.